Hi, in this video, we'll look at how you can create your own GPTs using Chat GPT Plus, which is a premium service. And also, we'll look at how you can create actions which are just external APIs embedding in your Chat GPT. Uh, this was earlier plugins, now they have replaced with actions, which is very cool uh, feature, right? So, very simply, you have to click on My GPTs and it will take you to this page where you can click on Create GPT. So the process of creating GPT is very similar, like a chat. You don't need to code, no, don't need to do anything. So I'll just say create a GPT which suggest startup ideas, right? So and any like this is very open. Any chat you can give and it starts creating. And it will ask series of questions. You just need to answer, and it will create the own GPT. You can also add your own document. I'll just show you in configuration and also the actions. Right? It takes certain time, like takes certain time to build it, but yeah, it is very specific to your use case. Great. So I think it has built it now. So it also gives a name to it. So I think that's okay. Yes, that's fine. Uh, now let's see. Mhm. And also we see some they call it starter questions here. So you can test the GPT as you are creating it, right? So I'll just test it. Um, just take certain time, of course, right? And then you can use it, right? So it also created a photo, right? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so photo is done. Um, and yeah, it works fine. Now, uh, let's see, refine some other refinements if you want to add, right? So that also you can do. Um, I would say ideas related to AI and machine learning, right? So I'm creating a chat GPT which is very specific to these domains, right? Of course, chat GPT is there, which is a more generic chat, but this is very specific to this. So you can always compare the response from here and the response you get from ChatGPT, right? So idea already it has given some ideas, right? Operational efficiency, smart city, etc. Now ChatGPT builder is building very now idea spark is focused on the great. So the ChatGPT is ready. You can save it, right? So you can it also given a category to it. You can save it for everyone. So there is like a library also where you can publish. So I'll just save it for everyone now, right? So then it gets published in the library, and yeah, the bot is ready now. Uh, you can test it, um, right? And you can edit it as well. One thing I wanted to show is this configure. So whatever question it has asked, it is just put it here, the name, the description. This it has added itself. This everything it has added itself, right? Um, Conversation starter. These are these questions. Now, interesting thing is this. So if you have some files or certain data, you can just upload these, right? So this will help, right, to search within this file. Code interpreter. So there are certain capabilities they give out of the box that also you can use, or you can create new actions. So this is very interesting. So basically, you can use information from outside. This is like connecting an external API, right? So I have one API I can just add here. there's a CATS API. This is just a dummy API, right? So this is there. So I'll just try to connect this to this, right? Also, there is an action GPT, which will give us basically to connect an API. You have to give the authentication if there is any key, right? Or you have to give the open AI schema, right? So so to this action GPT, we can say create an open API schema for this API, right? So we just given one API and ask action GPT. I think this is another GPT created by somebody, which just gives us the API specification for this any API, OpenAI's API specification, right? It's taking some time. Already run this, so I'll just copy from there. Yeah, so it had already created it. So I'll just copy code and yeah, in the schema I have to put this, right? And yeah, it also gives like a test. So I'll just run this test, right? Taking some time. Yeah. So whenever you connect any external, it will ask to allow, and then you can see it has connected with this API, right? And yeah, whatever the response from the API coming, it's just printing it here, right? So the connection with the API has become so easy as just putting their API spec, the open API spec here, and that spec also you can generate using Action GPT. And yeah, your bot is ready, your GPT is ready. You can uh, just play with it. Other people can also use it, right? But it needs the a premium subscription to use it. So yeah, I think this is for this video. Very simply, just wanted to show this uh, create your own GPT kind of features, which ChatGPT has launched. Bit expensive. It's around 20 plus $3.5 in India. Maybe the cost there is per month. Maybe the cost will come down, but yeah, good sort of tech to create your own GPTs, which are very specific. You go to explore GPT, you will find a lot of GPTs people have already created. You can try them out and see how if they are helpful, right? So yeah, this is for this video. Please let me know how you like this video. And for more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.